Hello viewers, welcome to my Live Love Food channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to prepare chicken mandi. First, I'm going to prepare mandi spice mix. Let's see the ingredients. Half tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 big size cinnamon stick, 6 cloves, 5 cardamom pods, half tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 dry lemon, 1 bay leaf, half tablespoon of pepper seeds. Dry roast it and add all the spices to the mixer jar and grind it to a fine powder. To the mandi spice mix, I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder and add salt as per your taste. Mix it well and keep it aside. Here I have taken 1 kg chicken. Make deep gashes over the chicken. Now for marination, add mandi spice powder over the chicken. Coat the masalas well into the chicken. Rub the masalas all over the chicken and leave to marinate for a minimum 30 minutes. Or otherwise you can keep it overnight. Now add 1 tablespoon of any cooking oil over the chicken. Rub it all over the chicken and refrigerate it for minimum 30 minutes. For the preparation of rice, I have taken here 2 big size onions sliced, 4 to 5 cloves, 5 cardamom pods, 5 green chilies, 1 dry lemon. Take 1 tomatoes puree, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 big size cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon of pepper. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of raisins. The chicken is marinated well. Take a deep bottomed pan, add 1 cup of water. Place the strainer inside. Now place the chicken pieces on the strainer. And steam it for 20 to 25 minutes. The chicken is cooked. Now take away the chicken from the vessel. Keep it aside. Transfer the chicken soup into the bowl. In the same deep bottomed pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add finely chopped onion. And saute till translucent. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. To the softened onions, now add 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 dry lemon, 2 big size cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 4 cardamoms, 1 to 2 tablespoons of raisins, 3 to 4 green chilies, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, salt it until the raw smell disappears. Now further add tomato puree, saute it for a few minutes. When the oil starts to separate, you can add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Add 1 cup of chicken stock. For 1 cup of rice, take 2 cups of water. Here I have taken 3 cups of rice. So totally I have taken here 5 cups of water plus 1 cup of chicken stock. Add the salt as per your taste. Close the lid and allow it to boil. Now it is boiled. Now you can add the rice. Keep it in a low medium flame and cook it. Meanwhile, take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now fry the chicken pieces. To make color, sprinkle some Kashmiri chili powder if needed. This is optional. Cook both sides by flipping it. Now the chicken is fried. Meanwhile, the rice is cooked. Decorate it with chilies and tomatoes. Now our mandi is almost ready. To make more tastier and to get the smoky flavor, burn the charcoal. Place a steel cup inside it. Once the charcoal is burned, place the charcoal inside the cup. Pour 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil. Now immediately the smokes come out. Now you can close the lid, allow to smoke for 5 to 10 minutes. Yemeni chicken mandi is ready. Serve it with green chili sauce. I'll show you how to make the tomato green chili sauce. To make tomato green chili sauce, take 3 green chilies, 1 handful of coriander leaves, 1 big size lemon, 4 garlic cloves and 2 tomatoes. Mix all the ingredients to the mixer jar. And squeeze 1 lemon juice. Add salt as per your taste and grind it. Tomato green chili sauce is ready. Now serve it with Yemeni chicken mandi. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook page.